In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reclassify transactions in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is a useful feature when a transaction has been posted to the wrong account and you want to move it to the correct one without having to recreate the transaction manually. QuickBooks Online Advanced makes this process fairly quick as long as you know where to find the tool and how to choose the right account. To get started, go to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find a variety of settings and tools. From there, select Reclassify Transactions. Once you open that page, you'll be taken to a screen that helps you review and move transactions from one account to another. On the left side, you'll see a list of your accounts from the chart of accounts. This area is important because it lets you narrow down exactly where the transaction is currently recorded. Take a moment to find and select the account where the transaction you want to reclassify is located. Choosing the current account first is essential because QuickBooks needs to know where the transaction is coming from before you can move it somewhere else. After selecting the account, look through the transactions displayed and find the one you want to change. When you've found it, check the box next to that transaction. This tells QuickBooks which item you want to update. If you're working carefully, it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct transaction before moving forward, especially if there are several similar entries in the same account. Next, click Reclassify at the top of the page. A selection area will appear, allowing you to choose the account you want to reclassify the transaction to. Simply pick the correct destination account. This step is where you're telling QuickBooks where the transaction should be categorized instead. Once you've selected the new account, the transaction will be reclassified accordingly. That's all there is to it. As a final tip, make sure you understand both the original account and the new account before making changes, since reclassification affects your financial reporting. If you're unsure, it's always smart to review the transaction details first so your books stay accurate and organized. And that's how to reclassify transactions in QuickBooks Online Advanced.